Today we're going to show you how to play a game called the New Mystery Manor. It's a detective game. Play on your cell phone. It's free. Download it from the Play Store. There's your app on the phone. The New Mystery Manor.
Hello?
Welcome to the Mystery Manor of Mr. X. You must be the detective the master invited. My name is Joshua Purr. Mr. X and his wife are away right now, and I've been instructed to meet you and give you your first task from the boss. I'm not going to read all of them to you, but click where it shows you. Click Explore. Find the items on the list. That's going to show you how to do it first off. A cello. See there? Click on it. There's a cat. Click on the cat. That's how you do it.
Wow!
Got eyes of an eagle. Deal with the letter. I don't understand the weird symbols.
Hello?
Mr. X wrote the code. Doesn't trust one of the manor residents. Count on you to help me decode it.
Glad to see you again.
Click where it's pointing. Now we get to explore that room on our own. Now let's go find those items on our list. There's a cello. Cat. Backpack. Hourglass right there. Woman's hat.
Glad to see you again.
We got a code book. Catherine can help. Read the boss's letters. That's her coming now.
Hello?
There's Catherine, family's assistant. Uncover here. Please disguise yourself and come up with a code name. How about detective? Good as any. Pick a disguise. I'll be the guy. Says you have to be connected to the internet.
Let's start.
I'm not surprised you can't read the letter. The manor's owner writes important messages in ancient Atlantean. Okay. You'll need Mr. X's family seal. Slide that. Okay. Candelabra. Right there. Find the things on the list. Mask. Here's a hint right there. See it show you? Hourglass, okay. Tie. Where's that mask? Hint right there.
Well done.
Seal totally takes away the need for dictionaries. By the way, the manor's owner ordered me not to give you anyone the seal except you. The letter's contents must be super confidential. Just look where the hand shows you.
Hello.
Sorry to disturb you. I swiped your magnifying glass when you weren't looking. I wanted to examine the bottom of the fishbowl. My round the thing is, I dropped it in and I can't get it out, no matter what I do. Meow. Slide it open. I like this thing. It shows you what to punch to get moving. Collect 18 starfish.
Interesting.
Match 3 pieces, swapping adjacent ones. Match starfish to complete the level. Alright, we got it. Magnifying glass. Explore my fish tank again. I know to ask Professor Detective to help out. I like
Are you ready?
Found the magnifying glass. Yep. Super thing is I can't find the sealing wax anywhere. These are silhouettes, okay. Find the items based on their silhouettes. Okay. Hat. Shows you right there. This isn't showing you how to do it. Alright, now we can do it on our own.
That's famous.
Mr. X left the event happened.
Glad to see you again.
A letter, seal, wax, a code book, and a magnifying glass. By the way, the boss has a special chest for you. You can change collections inside their secrets.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, the letter. Pull it out. Put the seal on the letter and you can read it. Locked in one of the Manor's secret rooms. Detective, please investigate the event. Be on alert. Trust Joshua. Remind Giovanni about.
Glad to see
can't believe Mr. X has vanished in his own manner. First, I need to introduce you to the cook. Okay. We're looking for me. I'm Giovanni Antonia, whatever. Something terrible, but exactly all I remember is I was cooking a special dinner for Mr. and Madam X. Asked me to remind you of something, but what was it? The letter cuts out. I have no idea. I'll make the same dinner again. Maybe it'll help bring my memory back.
Happy to see you, Detective.
It was fried phoenix eggs the day of the event. By the way, I only make the dish for special guests. Was there any guest that day? I don't remember. Slide it open. Need to find a bell. Need a hint. What's that? Not sure what we're doing here yet. Finding something. Looks like a grater right there, doesn't it? There's the bell. There's the grater. I need the pie. Those hints are great, aren't they?
What a surprise.
Royal
You are
fried
talented.
eggs turned out well. Who was the guest? I still can't say. Settings, turn sound and music on and off. I think that's just about enough for this time. You could probably play this game all day. Sure you want to leave Mystery Manor? Yes. We will see you next time.